Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to build a Lamborghini Aventador. First, understand that this ambitious project involves meticulous assembly, demanding precision, and a deep understanding of automotive engineering. You will navigate through several complex stages, from the foundational chassis to the final performance checks. Prepare for a challenging yet rewarding journey, requiring patience and a commitment to detail. The build commences with the robust carbon fiber monocoque, forming the car's structural backbone. Carefully integrate the powerful 12-cylinder engine and its advanced 7-speed independent shifting rod transmission. Next, attach the sophisticated pushrod suspension system and high-performance braking components. Precision is crucial here, as these elements dictate the vehicle's handling and safety. Double-check all connections before proceeding. With the chassis and powertrain complete, attention shifts to the exterior and interior. Carefully mount the lightweight body panels, ensuring perfect alignment and gaps. Inside, install the premium leather seats, dashboard, and advanced infotainment system. This stage also involves integrating the extensive electrical wiring harness and all climate control components. Every detail contributes to the vehicle's iconic appearance and luxurious feel. The final stages involve mounting the distinctive wheels and high-performance tires. Fill all essential fluids, such as engine oil, coolant, and brake fluid, to their correct levels. A thorough diagnostic scan of all electronic systems is critical to ensure everything functions perfectly. Finally, conduct rigorous performance testing on a controlled track to confirm the vehicle meets its demanding specifications and safety standards.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.